scratch my nose.
Morning, campers! Today I have a special guest.
Hello.
Yes, he's also at uni, same as me. So we figured we'd do a little collab. Today we are playing Cards Against Humanity. Yes, we've got like the black box here with us, and then we also have many other things. We have Candy Kitties. A whole load of Candy Kitties. Oops, dropping them everywhere. But yeah, we decided that what we're going to do is we're literally going to play Cards Against Humanity, and then whoever wins gets to decide which packet of Candy Kittens we get to open first. There's a lot of these flavours I don't think we've ever tried, have we?
I've only tried the one you gave me that one time. So
I think it was watermelon, but we've got watermelon, and we've got tropical mango, and we've got Eton Mess, peach fizz, and blueberry bliss. So there's a lot of new flavours for us to try. So should we get down to it?
yes, let's do it.
Excellent. Let's go. That sound of the box opening sounds incredibly ominous.
Sorry, me and my OCD making things level. Right.
So how many of these are we supposed to have then as a white cards?
We'll say we'll take 7 random white cards out of the box.
And cat.
I'm gonna say
Cinq.
That's good. That's 8.
6.
6.
7. Somebody there will correct my any French pronunciation.
You go French, I went Spanish. Oops.
Who's picking one of the black cards first?
You can pick
Me?
one.
Okay, fine. The Cards of Death. Next up, Channel 4, Ramsay's Watts Nightmares. Would you read first?
Yep.
Okay. Next up on Channel 4, Ramsay's Flying Sex Snakes Nightmares.
Next up on Channel 4, Ramsay's Jennifer Lawrence Nightmares.
Who said the better one?
I'm not sure.
Is that a draw? Okay, that will be a draw.
We'll say it's draw.
We'll have that one as a draw.
We'll play for it.
We'll play for it.
So we'll play for. Lovely.
Murder. Murder on the dance floor.
Oh God.
You
Right.
better not kill good.
DJ. What makes life worth living? Well, having said that, murder makes life good living. What makes life worth living?
What makes life worth living? The North.
Murder.
The North.
Murder.
The North.
Murder.
Oh, we can't decide that one either.
It's irony because if you know.
The North.
For God's sake, vote below in the comments who had the better one.
Should take us like forever just to get one, isn't it? Click here for blank. 3 question marks.
Click here for a micro pig wearing a tiny raincoat and booties.
Click here for my collection of Japanese sex toys. Oh, that made you laugh. Why did I win that one then?
Fine.
Okay, so I'll run all of those. I get to pick which flavour Candy Kittens we get. I think we're going to go for Eton Mess first.
Eton Mess.
Yup.
Did it smell like Eton Mess?
It's not really strawberry. I know Eton Mess does have strawberry in it.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, look, they're so cute. They're kitten shaped. It's got a smiley face on it.
Oh my God.
They're so cute.
It's a C in the K as well.
Oh, I haven't noticed that bit yet.
The nose and the mouth is a C in the K.
Oh, it's like, these ones are like foamy.
Ooh.
They're nice, actually. They're not too sweet either, are they?
No, they're perfect.
That's good.
Mm.
Most ones I do like.
That'll be,
Your turn.
You'll be checking my bag before I go home.
Risking you for the packets of candy
Might as well.
kittens back.
Yeah, I've got 7. Okay, I'll pull that, I think. You got 7 this time, right?
Yes, I have.
What will always get you laid? What will always get you laid? A good sniff.
What will always get you laid? Bananas.
What's that look for?
Bananas, bananas.
Bananas and pyjamas.
Was that a draw again?
Yeah. In other words, we just can't decide which one's badass now. Let me guess. I'm not gonna guess, but
It wasn't even a black card, it was a... How did I lose my virginity? I think there's only one I can use for this.
I'm ready.
How did I lose my virginity? 10,000 Syrian refugees.
How did I lose my virginity? Giving birth to the Antichrist.
Okay, yours is funny.
Yay, I got. We opening another packet?
Well, you did win.
Oh, yeah, good point. What was
Unless you want Eton Mess again.
Hang on, I'm gonna just put 2 in one hand behind your back. Okay, and then I'm gonna pick one of them, and then from those 2 do it again.
Okay.
Right. Left. We're going to try the peach fizz. These are the ones I was looking forward to eating the most. Oh yeah, we need to point out Candy Kittens are not cat food.
Doesn't it say that on the packets? My cat will probably think they are.
It doesn't.
Say.
Disclaimer. These terrifying. Oh dear lord, what have I done?
He made a mess of it, opening it. Ooh.
Oh, these ones are like fizzy.
The last ones were foamy and these ones are like all fizzy.
These ones are like that and those with the colours. Oh,
They are nice.
I'm pinching them ones.
You bloody not, I bought them. Unfortunately, this is not a sponsored video. Oh, they're good. Too much tingle in my tongue, they're that busy.
Just you though.
It broke my nail, look. I'm gutted. It was like really long, it was like as long as this one. And now it's like, not.
You have someone's eyes out there.
You kitten claws.
Spikula, you got claws too.
Whose go is it to pick a black card? Yours.
Yes. Probably not, but yeah, we'll see editing. In Belmarsh Prison, word is you can trade 200 cigarettes for...
I've ended up with 6 again.
Oh, you clever one. In Belmarsh Prison, word is you can trade 200 cigarettes for seeing what happens when you lock people in a room with hungry seagulls.
In Belmarsh Prison, word is that you can trade 200 cigarettes for chunks of dead hitchhiker. So that's I won that one, didn't I?
Yeah.
Just a criminology student to find the rather gruesome ones.
we're not going to have another one because you won.
Oh yeah, okay.
See, we're getting carried away now.
I'm going to go for sour watermelon. These are the ones that I've tried before, but I like them. So let's try some.
I've not had these ones, so.
Oh yeah, I thought you did.
No, have we had the strawberry ones?
No.
Gummy, who this?
Oh. Those ones are a bit sour. But good sour. Making my tongue twitch.
They're not very sour and they're not very watermelony.
I was going to say it's quite an artificially watermelon. It's not like freshly watermelon. But there we are.
The aftertaste is quite watermelony though. It's quite fresh and crisp.
It tastes like I've tried to eat that watermelon face mask. Now then, the theme for this year's I said that wrong. The theme for next year's Eurovision Song Contest is We Are What? The theme for next year's Eurovision Song Contest is We Are Going an Entire Day Without Masturbating.
The theme for next year's Eurovision Song Contest is We Are the Ideal. Yours wins.
Okay.
I like yours better.
Oh, I've got 2 flavours left to pick between. Sorry, we're going to have tropical mango next. Mango. Oops, I've got one. Mango. These ones are like fizzy and sugar covered. Oh.
Oh.
This one smells a bit bad. It tastes good.
Yeah, it smells quite mango-y. I'm not much of a fan of those ones.
I don't quite know what they tasted, but they don't taste like mango. It's like some kind of tropically kind of fruit, but I can't really taste like fully mango. It's like a bit of pineapple and a bit of all sorts. It's
Oh.
apple, radish, carrot, lemon, blackcurrant, sweet potato. Oh,
It's a sweet potato I can taste.
just say mango juice and concentrate as well.
It's the sweet potato I can taste.
Do with improving the levels of mango juice because in it's only 10% and it could do with being a bit higher.
Yeah, it's more sweet potato than mango.
Okay, you'll go.
Right. Whoa.
I've got 6 again.
If you can't be the one if you can't be with the one you love blank.
If you can't be with the one you love farting and walking away.
If you can't be with the one you love touching a pug right on his penis.
God, that's yours. God, that is awful.
We do not take any responsibility for any offence which is taken throughout this entire game. Thank you.
1 packet left.
Oh no, I'm losing my cards. Oh bloody hell. I've lost unfathomable stupidity. Bleedless.
Lovely.
Can we do a violet bureaucrat and become blueberries from eating these, do you think?
To keep an eye on my nose then, you know. What does it smell?
It doesn't really, it just smells like sweets.
These ones are like pinky and purple.
Again, they're not very blueberry.
No, but they taste like berry.
Again, it's like carrot, sweet potato, apple, and blueberry.
I'm sure that's not the colours.
Fruit and plain concentrates.
Okay.
Yeah, it could use a little bit more blueberry flavour, I am.
Oh, they've got quite a sour aftertaste. It's making my tongue tingle in the back of my throat. I swallowed a bit of that sour sugar down the wrong way.
Right, I've only got 6, so.
So, I'm going on a cleanse this week. Nothing but kale juice and blank.
I'm going on a cleanse this week. Nothing but kale juice and hospice care.
I'm going on a cleanse this week. Nothing but kale juice and poor people.
Are we eating for poor people or not?
Like I said, I was going on a cleanse.
Oh boy.
Is that a draw?
Yeah. That's like me. Dear Agony Aunt, I'm having some trouble with blank and would like your advice. Dear Agony Aunt, I'm having some trouble with the Wi-Fi password and would like advice.
Dear Agony Aunt, I'm having some trouble with penis envy and would like your advice. I think yours is better.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
You get that one as well.
Oh yeah, thank you. Can I have another peach one, please?
Fish. Wait.
I like the peach ones. The peach ones are the best. Oh, I've got 2. Do you want that? Do you want the other one?
Not going to want to fall apart now, is it?
We have separated the kittens from birth.
This is a 2-card one. They said we were crazy. They said we couldn't put blank inside of blank. They were wrong. Go on then. What have you got?
They said we were crazy. They said we couldn't put unfathomable stupidity inside of toys. They were wrong.
They said we were crazy. They said we couldn't put racism inside of dead babies. They were wrong. That's a draw again, isn't it?
Yeah.
Some of these are really dark.
Yeah.
You could have like a dark sense of humour to play this game, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I think so.
Pick a black one. Leave the cards alone.
I'm knocking it over and over now. In M. Night, how do you say
Shyamalan, I think.
that new movie? Bruce Willis discovers that blank had really been blank all along.
In M. Night Shyamalan's new movie, Bruce Willis discovers that the penny whistle solo from My Heart Will Go On had really been a bitch slap all along.
In M. Night Shyamalan's new movie, Bruce Willis discovers that hobos had really been masturbating all along.
That's yours.
Face it, if you get one that concerns a dick,
What flavour do you want this time?
you'll Eton Mess, please. I'm not a fan of the mango or blueberry ones, so don't do that one or watermelon.
Let's put it together. Which ones are foamy then?
They're so cute.
Terribly posh flavour, isn't it, Eton Mess? Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's blank.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's a Chelsea smile.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's horse meat. That one got you. That one got you. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Old MacDonald had blank. E-I-E-I-O. I got 6. Old MacDonald had a disappointing birthday party. E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald had performance reform play. E-I-E-I-O. Thank you.
Fleur.
I want another peach one. I like the peach ones.
I'm going to ask you frisky for the peach one, aren't I?
Yeah, I'm going to try
I
and...
don't know even why.
But it's a small bag.
Oh.
Oh.
They're all stuck together. What do you call a whole stuck together batch of kittens?
Twins.
Two stuck together.
Blank plus blank equals blank.
Saying I love you plus peeing a little bit equals still being a virgin.
A tiny horse plus Danny DeVito equals mutually assured destruction.
Oh, that's a draw. I need like 300 pounds. 2, 12, 8 plus 4.
I've just pulled out basically 3 cards which I can use as an answer for the card we just played.
Oh dear.
I'm concerned.
Military historians remember Alexander the Great for his brilliant use of what against the Persians?
Military historians remember Alexander the Great for his brilliant use of passive-aggressive post-it notes against the Persians.
Military historians remember Alexander the Great for his brilliant use of making a pouty face against the Persians. Is that draw again?
Yeah. Pardon me.
Pardon you? Oh my god. It's the Fizzy Sugar made your birthday.
Yeah.
Side effect of Candy Kittens.
What did I bring back from Amsterdam?
What? That was a really weird noise you just made.
I don't want to play this card, but I'm playing it.
What did I bring back from Amsterdam? Permanent orgasm face disorder.
What did I bring back from Amsterdam? Pedophiles.
I think mine's better.
Yeah. Yay!
Now then, let's have a last blueberry, and then we'll top up the cards and go back for our final thoughts on the Candy Kittens.
Yeah.
Ten.
7.
Oi! So then, campers. Final thoughts on the Candy Kittens. Well, Eton Mess. Well, they're very strawberry and they're kind of foamy compared to the others, which are a bit more like jelly. They smell like strawberry and they have like a different, slightly different shape and different patterns on them compared to the others. But they're yummy. Packet's not big enough though, is it?
No. I could just...
Perhaps next time we'll buy the bigger packet. But yeah, it's a thumbs up from me.
And me.
Peach ones. Well, they're very fizzy and they taste and do smell like peach.
I don't know what smell peach ones.
They do smell like peach.
Oh yeah, they do.
Bish.
It smells more peachy than your peach things you buy from the solution.
And once again, the peach things, this packet is not big enough. I think that there's only 3 left in there now. Because somebody's going to keep eating them. I'm going to have Frisky before he leaves to make sure that they stay with me because they're mine. I bought them. Right, get off! Ow! Bloody elbow me.
Sorry.
But yeah, it's a thumbs up from me.
And me. They're mine.
Next up, mango. This packet is big. It's like quite a fair bit bigger than the other packets. There's quite a fair bit more in there. I really don't like the smell of these sweets. They do stink quite a bit. It's a weird smell.
I'm not a
It's
fan
like
of the
cheap
taste.
sweeties. And I'm not a fan of the taste.
No.
They taste okay, but it's like you won't be able to tell it with mango by tasting them. That might be a problem. But yeah, I'll definitely finish the end of them. It smells so good. Well, it smells like sweeties. It smells like when I used to get the packets of American hard gums and you get like varying flavours in there. But yeah, we'll definitely finish them. It's a meh from me. A middle one. Middle finger. Nah.
It's a thumbs down.
Ooh.
I really don't like them.
Next up, watermelon. Watermelon. This is like the first flavour of Candy Kittens I ever tried. And they're good. They are. They're so good. Yeah, definitely. These are like a classic, my classic favourite. These are the ones I'll come back to. It's definitely a thumbs up from me. Now, blueberry. I haven't tried this flavour before. This is another new flavour. Yeah, it smells like blueberry, but it kind of tastes more like a generic berry than like an actual blueberry. It's okay. I'll be able to finish the packet, but would I buy them again? Probably not really. There's better flavours that I've found, so probably not. It's a middle one from me.
Same here. They just don't. They need more blueberry flavour.
More bloob, less berry, generic berry flavour.
More bloob.
Well, that's the end of the video today. I hope you've enjoyed watching us play Cards Against Humanity and hearing our thoughts on the various Candy Kitten flavours that you can get hold of. Morrison's sell them, and you can also buy them relatively cheaply on Amazon as well. 2 of mine came from Morrison's and the rest of them just came from Amazon. It's just easier to buy them from there. Yeah, well, I kind of like them. They're my kind of sweets. I like the bags that they come in. They come in like cat treat bags. Like they're literally the same kind of bags as my cat's dreamies come in. And I'm pretty sure he probably thinks they're like the human equivalent. Which I suppose in a way they are, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
They kind of are. But yeah, Candy Kittens is definitely the kind of sweets I will keep buying. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a little thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi in the comments, and if you'd like to see more of this kind of thing and some other weird and wonderful videos, don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.
Bye.